am N.S. Lavanya, Assistant Professor, Department of English, KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science. Today's topic is story angle. The angle of a news or feature story is the story's point or theme, most often expressed in the lead of the article. It is the lens through which the writer filters the information he or she has gathered and focuses it to make it meaningful to viewers or readers. There may be several different angles to a single news event. For instance, if a new law is passed, whether national or local, angles might include the cost of implementing the law and where the money will come from, the agenda of the lawmakers who authored and pushed for the law, and the impacts of the law on the people most closely affected. The impacts of legislation can range from financial to environmental, short term and long term. Both news and feature stories can also have angles based on geography and range of readership or viewership, depending on your location and the type of outlet you work for. Examples include the national angle and the local angle. The national angle is taken by national media for major stories, trend pieces, and stories about issues that affect the country as a whole. Those are the kinds of stories that fill the front pages of major metropolitan dailies. An example would be the passage of President Barack Obama's Patient Protection and Affordable Care Act and its effect on Americans of different socio-economic groups on a national scale. Another might be a weather event that strikes a large swath of the country and affects millions of people. The local angle comes when a reporter localizes those stories and focuses on the local or regional impact of those events, making them immediately relevant to the local readers. For example, in the case of a hurricane ravaging shorelines along the east coast, a news outlet in Florida would focus specifically on the area where its readers or viewers are located. In the case of a law, the paper would assess local impact and reaction. Follow-up stories give reporters the opportunity to find and include information that was either not immediately available during the reporting of the event itself or that could not be included for space or time. They also provide the chance to include more background, new details, deeper analysis and perspective, and more in-depth human stories and interviews. Whether reporters are covering breaking news or features or covering local or national news, to find a story's meaningful angle, the crux of why it matters or why it is interesting, they must cultivate a so-called news sense or a nose for news, that instinctive feel for what constitutes a good story. Thanks for watching this video. We meet again next time.